Hi guys, I'm Arisha and today I'm back with a very cool DIY. So, we are going to make today these very colorful and bright bracelets. It's very easy to make. So, we can make it and put it on our hands or gift it to anyone or give it to your friends on friendship days. Give your BFFs, and it's very bright and very simple to make. The materials we need is S clips or C clips. S or C clips we can take, but over here I'm taking a S clip because I don't have a C clip. And of course we need the main material, rubber bands. It's not important that we need the exact same size or the exact same color rubber bands. We can do it any type, and it's very stretchable. Do you know it? It's very stretchable and very easy to make, as I told you in the starting. And if you're wondering where did I get this S clips, well, I got it in the kit with the rubber bands and the S clips. I also got the sticks to make it. But today we are not going to use it because it's not important that we have this sticks because we are not going to use it now. And so let's get started, guys. So now first we are going to need the rubber bands. Take one of the rubber bands. So over here I'm taking red or hot pink color. The one side of the end, put it in your thumb, and the other one in your other finger. So it should mainly get stretched out like this. Out. So stretch it out like this. And now take a S clip. Hang it in the one side. See guys, in one side and also in the other side. So it should mainly look like this. And now as you can see, we got these two ends free. So get it together in one thumb and stretch it out together. So it's much smaller now. Leave the S clip. Take one more. I'm taking a purple one. And just put it through it. So now it's looking just like this. Then leave that one and then put your other finger. So I'm going to show you how to do it a bit, and I'm going to make it multicolor. So guys, I'll repeat. If it's not important to get the exact same colors, over here I did it patternly because I had the rubber bands. Because I used them in the pattern ones, that's why now I'm going to do it multicolor. And I did it because I had some leftover rubber bands that I wanted to show you how to do it. Because I didn't upload any YouTube video till now. So I thought it was too long. I didn't do it, so I got this rubber band. And it's not important that you get only the set with the sticks. It's okay if you cannot find the set. If you get the S or C clip separately, then take it and some rubber bands. So as you can see, we are getting a pattern like this, and we should keep continuing like this till we have a blaster like this. And now we will continue. And now I'll meet you when. So guys, I'm done making my blaster and I made it, and I did it multicolors as you can see, and it's very stretchable, and I made it. Isn't it beautiful? And to match with the blaster that I made, I also made the ring. So if you're wondering how to make the ring with rubber bands, it's the same. Just use a bit less rubber bands. And and if you think like it's too tight, then you can probably remove it. And if you're afraid that you can break it, then don't be afraid. Just remove it. I removed it. Hold it tight. Hold it. And then put it once again in the finger and then repeat the one more thing. The more. So add and add till you get it. So if you want, you can even make a choker. I'll bring the choker in a second. So here are the chokers I made. It's one of the green one and one of the orange, yellow and red. So if you want, you can make it multicolored or with a pattern. So guys, I'll repeat once again. Be careful when we are making the choker. You don't need to be that careful when you're making Braslet, but when you make a choker, be careful. If you feel it's tight, then remove it immediately and add more rubber bands. If you don't have rubber bands, then don't wear it because it can be dangerous. So bye. I hope you liked today's video. Bye. If you like it, then share it with your friends and tell them how to make chokers, rings, and rubber bands. Bye.